density, so you are going to eat smaller amount. Get more if you are having a longer nails, like if you're doing a longer nails, like extra long coffin, extra long stiletto. Add more. You want enough. You don't want to be too little. You don't want to be too much, because too much, look at this. This flaky is so stunning. This one, even you can leave it alone. It looks so beautiful. And close at least. And of course, is no white top coat floating right on the top. The Velvetty Gel is so easy to do. It is so easy to wear. It's light, flexible, sturdy, and it's easy to do. Even looks good by itself. Look at that. Let me put it down like this. Okay, good. So let's do this beautiful leaves. Even you can just leave it by itself like that. All right. Just add a little bit pumpkin spice. I love this crystal. It's just so vibrant, especially in fall. Just give it really a good vibes for fall. So like in a fall colors, but also it looks so nice and bright.
So Chad asked you to use press on and gel on top?
On this one, you mean?
Yes, and well, Layla, so those are not press on tip, that was just Netico. So you can use it, but if you want to use a press on, I guess you can use it for one set of pictures.
Hold on.
Cut them up.
No, she's asking press on. You mean press on gels?
Oh.
I mean,
or acrylic.
no, this is Velvetty Gels.
Yeah, so this is Velvetty Gel. Think of it as the mix of acrylic and hard gel. Really nice, really flexible, and give you plenty of time. It will not dry on you until you cure them. So when you're happy with your design, cure them and everything will be set.
I'm gonna add the beads between. You know what? I really enjoy every single live videos with you. I think I've gotten an opportunity to share with you like 1,000 different designs non-stop for the past 3.5 years. I go swimmings pretty much every day, except Sunday. And sometimes you see me disappear for like 1 or 2 days, just either I'm being out of town, then or I was so extremely busy. But other than that, you see me all the time. And it's my opportunity, it's my honor to be sharing with everyone. And I learned so much from all of you. Really, really enjoying it. And thanks so much for, tuning in and always being. I know you're always like so busy and you have so many choices, but you always like stopping by and say hello. I remember it's like Brazil would say, I'm not stopping by, I'm a full investment. It's just so amazing. It's just like great, to see her like in one of BA being so successful when you're using the products and you apply it to your real life. It's just amazing. And I see like all of our BA. It's such amazing, such an honor to work with all of you and with all of the BA. Mika, I see her, she's growing amazing, a massive of the skills and the creativities. She's unleashed a lot of cool you know, like designs. Looks really good in person though. It looks so pink in on yours. Let me see if I get white paper, white background. And then I see, you know, Dom. We met Dom like 4 years ago. And Isabel, like a lot of you, so amazing. This is only 2 white. But anyway, it looks so much better than it looks under the camera though. I'm gonna go ahead and key it.